to the functions of cooling heating unit. The medium in cooling is cold water or fluorine system, and the cold air is uniformly distributed everywhere in the space after heat exchange, thus achieving the purpose of cooling. However, the treatment of condensed water under cooling condition is the most prominent problem for air conditioning technicians. And AirTS heating cooling unit has been elaborately designed to completely prevent the leakage of condensed water. The comparison with similar products of other brands is as follows. The heat exchanger of AirTS cooling heating unit adopts complicated mouth-type design, and the heat exchanger is placed in parallel with the air outlet, which is the four-side return air mode. Through accurate calculation of wind speed and air blowing area, it is ensured that under the maximum airspeed of the equipment, the condensed water on the fin naturally falls into the water sink and is discharged from the condensed water pipe, thus perfectly preventing the leakage of condensed water. However, the cold heat exchangers of other brands adopt plate-type structure and is vertically arranged in the air outlet direction. Although the cold heat exchanger is provided with water tray consisting of wave plates, the strong and disordered air in the box body will take out condensed water from the gap of the water tray and cause water leakage. In order to reduce air resistance, the water wave plate cannot have large angle of inclination. The water guide groove cannot be too deep. And after using for a certain period, a large amount of dust will accumulate in the water guide groove and cause water overflow. Therefore, water leakage is more serious. The heat exchanger of AirTS cooling heating unit, since the heat exchange area is 1.5 times higher than the panel type heat exchanger, features better effect under the heating conditions, and the heating and cooling effect of single unit is much higher than similar products of other brands. The fan of the cooling heating unit is installed inside the equipment, and the inside of the equipment is provided with rubber and plastic sponge. Compared with the heating unit, which is installed at the top of the equipment, the noise is lower.